If you want to change WhatsApp ringtone on your iPhone, let's see how you can do it. So first, from your WhatsApp, if you are trying to change your WhatsApp ringtone on your iPhone, you have probably noticed there is no direct option inside WhatsApp. So you can only edit message tones, group alerts, or notification settings, but there's no WhatsApp ringtone option at all. But here's I'm showing the trick how you can change your WhatsApp ringtone. So first you have to open up your iPhone settings, then scroll down to sound and haptics. Now choose ringtone from here, and now from here choose the number which is your WhatsApp, or you will find the cellular data option. So I go for it, and this is where your WhatsApp call ringtone actually changes. So now from here choose any tone you like, and once you select it, it's set automatically for WhatsApp calls too. And now I'm showing how you can set your custom one. So just open your Files app, go to where your favorite ringtone or songs, and just pick that. Now tap the share button, scroll a bit, and you will find this use as ringtone option. So when you select that, it sets instantly. Now whenever someone calls you on WhatsApp, your iPhone will ring with your favorite custom tone. Pretty cool, right? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.